Here is the Brain Tech Finance. So in this particular video, we're about to discuss 3 things in this video. So the first thing is verify your ITLG, and the second one is migrate your ITLG, and the last one also is connect your social media. So this is what we're about to discuss in this particular video. I will show you everything you need to know about all these 3 things. So what you need to do is to watch this video to the end, pay attention and listen to me. All right. So if you come the dashboard like this, so you can see we have something like ITLG recoverable. So this is your token that have been banned, right? If you tap on it, you can see it. You can see something here. This is what you have been received, right? You have received. And if we come back to here also, we tap on the verify. You can see this the ban, right? Use the ban one. You can see have 203, which is the 7 days, the last 7 days. My token have been, right, about 203, right? So you can see this is what have been banned, right? This is what have been banned. So the more I mine, the more I earn. So if you have 10,000 and you are not seeing it, and it have been reduced, and maybe also you see some amount of ITLG also here, which means the amount that have been banned here have been transferred to here. So you need to recover it. That's why we call this recoverable. So let's go into the main particular video. So we tap on verify ITLG. So you can see here, you can see verify. So the first thing we talk about in these 3 particular stocks here, the first one is connect here. Once we tap on it, which is your social media account, right? So we can see we have add social account. Once we tap on it, so you can see we have Facebook. You need to connect your Facebook, TikTok, right, your X and Instagram, right? This is the IG or the short name. So the first thing you need to do is to tap on the Facebook. Once you tap on the Facebook, so you can see enter the link, right? So what you need to do here is you paste your profile link here, right? You go to your Facebook page. You don't have Facebook page, you need to create some. So this is my Facebook page. You can see here, if you don't have Facebook page, you need to create some. You can also follow us on our Facebook page. Here is a new. You can see we have only 15 followers. You can also follow us here. So to copy your Facebook page, you need to tap on this 3 dots here. So you can see once you tap on it, you scroll down, you can see page, your page link, you copy it. Then after that, you come back. After you come back here, then you paste it here. So you can see here, after that you tap on next, right? So you can see here, you copy this, right, and go and paste it on your profile. So you tap on copy. So after you copy the content, right, then you tap on what is in your mind here. So here you paste it here, right, and tap on next. You can see you tap on post. So you can see it will appear here, right? So you can see when you scroll here, you can see here. Then you copy this this post. Then you come back to the ITLG. Then you paste the link here, right, and tap on connect. Tap on confirm. So you can see connecting. You can see connected, right? So guys, that is how we connect our social media accounts. We want have been connected. That's how we do all of them, TikTok, X and all. So we don't want this video to be long, so we do the next thing. So the second step we also do is to migrate our ITLG. Before we can migrate our ITLG, we need to verify our KYC first. As we have finished the connect social media, we need to go to verify ITLG before we come to migrate your ITLG. So let's tap on verify ITLG, verify now. You can see some ads will be displayed. After it display, then you come, it will bring it to here. So you can see view list creator. Tap on view list creator. So here you can see we have a creator here, right? Let's go back and read something here. Let's go back. You can see for the ITLG verification, you can see apply to your preferred creator. Your slot will be given to another user if you do not submit within 24 hours, right? Once selected. So if you select, guys, let me explain it well for you. They are saying that if they give you the slot and if you don't now we are applying for the slot. That's why you see so many creator here. You see apply. We have so many AI creator also here. We have ChatGPT, Gemini, powered Cloud, right? Which is the Athena, right? Cloud. We have Grok also here, and we have human. These are the human. You can see Nigeria also here, right? So we have so many creator. You can also apply one creator. You cannot apply many creator. Only one creator. So once you apply the creator and you don't submit, right, they will give you an whether email or a message. Once they give you apply and they give you the slot and you don't submit your documents, it will give to another person, right? So you don't, me as I am Ghanaian, I don't have Ghanaian here. So what we need to do, so if you are Nigeria, is simple. You have Nigeria country here, but if you're like me has Ghanaian, or if you're in other country and you don't see your country here, it's not problem. What you need to do, you can see we have 3 global here, global 1, global 2 and global 3. First global is 96,000 users, 72,000 users for the second global, and the last global also 79 users, right? So let's apply for the first one. So you can see the first, you tap on apply, right? So you can see applying. So you can see match successfully, right? So you can see here, this is our creator we have selected. So they will give us a message as a slot, right? So they give us a slot. After they give us, we see a certain message to that the slot have been given to us. Then we come back, we can see we have in queue, right? We have in queue. So the first one is you can see 1 2 3 4 and question mark here. So there are so many verifications. You can see verification level here, right? So the first verification is document verification. We need to submit our document. So a slot will give it to you once you apply for it. So now I have applied. So we wait, right? After we wait and they give us the slot, then we come back and submit. You will receive a notification once the slot given to you, and if you don't do it, it will give to another person, right? And the last one, which is the migrate your ITLG. So once we tap on migrate now, so you can see, so after the ask ends, it will open. So right here you can see coming soon, right? So which means they are working on it. So this is the wallet we created a few months ago, which is last year, right? So if the migration started, you can see you select your wallet, right? Then we tap on maybe migrate or something else. So that's how the migration also it is for now. By this project backed by Google, so don't joke on this project. You can see something here, Google for startup, right? So that's how about the Interlink KYC verification and the latest update right now. So you find this video helpful, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and turn on notification bell so that whenever I drop new video, you'll be the first person you see. See you guys in my next video.